Are you currently wondering how you can make money online? Something that is really easy, doesn't take a long time to do, and some of it is even automated by using some free apps? Well, put that laptop down for a second and listen up. You can use your laptop, you can use your desktop, you might even be able to use a cell phone. And the cool thing about it is that I know there's a lot of things going on with Bitcoin and things look really up and up, but sometimes it could be confusing for people. And most of all, you want something that is free and easy to use. With the whole idea of going on that wonderful vacation you've always dreamed of, wouldn't it be great that you can have enough money to go wherever you want, however you want, spend as much money as you want, and have that freedom? Just take a few seconds here and think about your goals in life. What do you need to do to accomplish going on these European vacations? Or maybe even going to that wonderful place that you've always wanted to go, and that is called the beach. How about a nice beach vacation on an island in Saint somewhere? Would you agree if you said yes to all of those questions I asked? Then strap in and learn how you can make money online now.
But before we begin, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you can get notified when I put up a new video. And would you also please click that like button down below? I would appreciate it. So now let's jump into the video.
I wanted to talk to you today about something that's been bugging me like crazy. You know what that is? Time. It's amazing how much time a person spends wasting it not doing income producing activities online. I don't care what it is. No? When we go through our day, and I'm talking to people who are working at home or have a marketing company, or they're marketing products or whatever, but they're doing their work from home, whether it be part-time or full-time, and they are spending tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of time on Facebook, liking, commenting, and no calls to action, and that's about it. You know, it's okay to go ahead and like a couple of times. It's okay to throw in a few comments, etc., etc. I think we've all been guilty of spending probably way too much time on Facebook, especially in non-income producing activities. Now, what is an income producing activity, Bob? Well, that is when you have a call to action, and it could be very simple. Hey, check out my fan page. Okay. Hey, give my fan page a like if you have a fan page. If you don't have a fan page, get a fan page, because Facebook loves it, and you can put all of your business stuff on your fan page. So if you have a fan page, then you are doing income producing activities most of the time when you're on Facebook. What a novel idea! Isn't that cool? Hey, check out, and while you're at it, check out my Facebook fan page here at http blah 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 blah. You know, whatever the link is. Right? Does that make any sense? Say, and check out my fan page at boom. And when they go to the fan page, guess what? You have a call to action to your offer, right? Or you even better, you tell a story. And this is something that I got into a little bit with the training I had a couple nights ago. When you are out there prospecting, you are telling your story. Why are you doing this business that you're in? Why are you doing this business that you're in? Is it to, make people free? Is it to help people make more money? To help promote their business? Whatever it may be, make sure that, what I would call a tagline, if you will, your vision needs to be up front and center all the time. And the reason is people gravitate toward that. Now, with this training that I was in, another thing that I was taught is, if you're going and just happily going about your business, steady as she goes high, sir, type of business, but it's slow, that's not being successful. It's not being successful at all. Matter of fact, you'll starve. You will not make it. You will not make it. And this is something I wish that they ingrained into our business, is that, yeah, you got to take massive action, but I can take massive action over a long, long, long period of time, but it will only breed X amount of sales. Does that make sense? However, if you do stuff fast, if you get, for instance, if you are able to recruit 20 people in 30 days, imagine, like I said before, imagine what that would do for your business. And actually, when you recruit 20 people in 30 days, you don't have to work as hard. Statistics have shown it time and time again. Success loves speed. Success loves speed. So I hope you got some value out of this. And if you have not seen this training, it's free. It's on YouTube. You can look it up, how to recruit 20 people in 30 days. I suggest you look that up on YouTube right now. I'm not going to share it here simply because of lack of time. But anyways, go ahead and look that up. It's an hour or so. It's pretty lengthy and it's in depth. But I got to warn you, some of the information that this guy gives out is for offline marketing. So he's going to talk about using the phone and stuff like that. In my business, you don't need to use the phone. So that's what's cool about blogging. Anyways, like I said, if you got any comments, likes, or comments down below, please like and share. And we'll see you in the next video. I got to run to my next appointment. Thanks.